Greetings, folks. Pilot Pete coming to you, fresh back from my trip to Las Vegas, where I attended CES 2026 and dug through a whole bunch of coal to find the hidden gems and the cool stuff worth your time and worth using. Today, I want to share another one of the discoveries with you. This one is for anyone who's tired of doing the mop, bucket, scrub, swear, repeat routine on the hardwood floors. It's called the Eureka FloorShine 890, and it's basically a steam mop, hot water washer, and powered floor vacuum all rolled into a single stick-style unit. You glide it like a cordless stick vac, but it's laying down some serious heat and suction as you go, so you can do a real cleanup in a single pass instead of multiple trips over the same mess. The headline trick is a 320 degree Fahrenheit steam system that blasts superheated steam right onto the sticky dried-on stains. On the demo floor at CES, you could actually see it soften up the gunk almost instantly, and then the machine sucks up the dirty water, so you're not just smearing stuff around. The brush and roller are being rinsed as you go, which really helps you keep from dragging yesterday's kitchen mess into today's hallway. If you don't need steam, the FloorShine 890 also runs a hot water deep clean mode at around 195 degrees. Think grease in front of the stove, pet messes that have had time to dry up, or kid spills that you didn't find until later. A row of jets lays down the hot water evenly across the cleaning head. The powered brush breaks everything loose, and fairly serious suction action pulls it all into the dirty water tank, so you're left with a floor that actually feels clean under your bare feet. Power-wise, it's got strong suction in the 24,000 Pascal neighborhood, and a self-propelled feel both forward and backward, so instead of pushing a heavy mop around the floor, you're mostly just steering it. There's a big battery on board that's designed to give you enough runtime to handle typical household hard floors in one go, and when you're finished, you park it on the base and let it run a self-cleaning cycle, so you're not reaching in to peel hair and grime off the roller by hand. Now, here's the catch. As of CES, you can't actually buy the FloorShine 890 just yet. It's one of those coming this year products that Eureka is rolling out over the course of 2026 with plans to sell it through their own site and the usual online retailers. For now, if you want to keep an eye on it, head over to Eureka's homepage and their CES highlights page to see more details and watch for when that buy button goes live. Before we wrap, could you do us a favor, please? Tap like and subscribe down below there so you'll get updated on all the cool stuff we found this year at CES. We've got more cool stuff found coming your way that you won't want to miss. And of course, a big thanks to our sponsors for making it possible for us to go to Las Vegas. Without them, we wouldn't be able to spend time on the show floor talking to the engineers and the reps and figuring out what's actually worth your time and attention. So, there you have it. The Eureka FloorShine 890, a steam and hot water powered hard floor cleaner that aims to give you a real deep clean in a single pass when it hits the market later this year. Until next time, don't get caught.